My brother, my sister, you dey complain say your sales rep no dey active, but make we talk true, you yourself, you never chat their territory now. You wan make dem catch fish, but all of una dey throw net inside the same small pond. Oga, no be hustle be problem o, na structure dey miss. Before you blame your team, check your map. You see, this episode, abeg lis ten well o, because e get one mistake wey dey kill plenty small and medium businesses for Nigeria. Zero territory, zero structure, high expectation. Everybody wan sell, everybody wan grow, but as dem dey drag same customer, same area, same shop, na so dem dey fight themselves without knowing o. And na you, the owner, dey lost pass. Today, I go break am down. No English wey go confuse you, just Street MBA with Kapick sense, straight to the point. Okay, sit down, let me paint you a picture. You get 3 reps, dem names na John, Musa and Cynthia. You no give anybody specific area, you no tell dem this na your zone. You handle Ifo, you handle Sango, you handle Abeokuta North, nothing. Next thing, John go Shomorin, Musa go Shomorin, Cynthia too land for Shomorin. 3 reps, 1 street, 1 customer, 1 confused shop owner. Next week you dey shout, why una no increase sales, why una no active? My guy, what do you expect? Confusion no be strategy now. Oya, make I yarn una one example of doing it wrong. A true Lagos story. A small fast-moving consumer goods distributor for Ikotun get 7 reps. All of them dey work the same market, Ikotun roundabout. 7 people, 1 junction, no plan. Customers dey vex, sales dey drop, reps dey argue, owner dey complain. But when one consultant come, na wetin the guy discover be say out of the 7 reps, 5 never even reach Idimo at all. 4 never reach Egbe, 6 never reach Isheri. All of them dey fight for same customers for roundabout. Tell me why business no go spoil. Example of doing it right. Most big company dey run am. You see when Coca-Cola dey recruit merchandiser and route riders, dem no dey post you anyhow. Dem go give you territory map, dem give you daily routes, dem show you which outlet you must reach. Same thing wey MTN dey do, same thing wey Dangote cement dey do, same thing wey Nigeria Bureau sef dey do. Because smart companies understand, when everybody get their lane, nobody jam anybody. When nobody jam anybody, nobody dey, numbers dey rise, so you grab. Make I tell you na why territory matters. Number 1, it removes internal competition. You no go get reps dragging the same customer like say na love triangle. 2, it makes performance clear. If rep A own Abeokuta South and that side no increase, you know where the problem dey be that o. 3, it builds customer relationship. One customer meeting 3 reps from same company na red flag o. If na one consis ten t rep, trust go strong, repeat sales go follow. 4, it expand your actual coverage. You go sabi this 10 streets wey never reach, wey rep never even reach, this 20 supermarkets wey dem never contact, these hotels wey no dey under anybody. 5, it motivates your team. Rep dey feel ownership. They know for this territory na me get am, nobody go dominate am. Motivation go double, accountability go strong, result go clear. Here na how to create your own territory. E no hard at all. You no need expensive software, you no need manager, you no need consultant. You fit start today. Option A, location mapping. Divide by your area. You fit say Abeokuta North, Abeokuta South, Ifo, Sango, Obantoko, Lafenwa. Then assign 1 rep each. Option B, customer type. You fit say make rep 1 dey go supermarket, make rep 2 at ten d to restaurants, make rep 3 dey visit hotel, make rep 4 make her own be wholesalers. Option C, by channel. You fit divide by online lead. Make 1 rep dey tackle online lead, make another rep dey tackle physical market, make another one dey tackle modern trade, make another one come visit corporate clients. Option D, use free tools. Free tools dey wey no go cost you money. Google Maps, Excel, Notion, Zoho free CRM, even paper and biro, you fit use am. Just start. Here na Street MBA with Kapick analogy o. Make una lis ten. Imagine say you carry 5 fishermen go one small pond, dem throw net, everything entangle, nobody catch anything. But if you divide dem, dis pond na for you, dat river na for you, dat stream na for you, everybody go come home with fish, nobody go complain, everybody go dey proud. Same thing for your business. So stop putting pressure on people when the structure you suppose build never exist. Good sales team wey no get territory na like warriors wey no get battlefield. You can't win that way, you can't grow that way, you can't scale that way. Build the map, share the map, use the map, then expect results. My people, if this Street MBA with Kapick message enter your body, abeg hit the like button, drop your thoughts for comment section, and no forget subscribe so you no go miss the next episode. This na Street MBA with Kapick, where we dey turn street sense into business success. See you for next episode. Washiri.